Challenge that banks today face is that banks or insurers or financial services companies face is that there is a plethora of leads that keep coming in. There is a lot of digitization of channels, development of alternate channels that happens. The biggest challenge around this process is that how well am I able to convert these leads? Is it just about straight through processing? More often than not, a lot of these are involved sales, which require interaction with call center agents, with sales agents, with representatives of the company. And we all know that any sale happens when we talk. Sales don't happen without talking. So what we've helped our clients do is get more efficiency, greater efficiency in their sales process. Can I get in touch with my lead in the most effective manner? When I call my lead, when I'm communicating with my lead, can I tell my lead, can I address my lead by their first name? Can I proactively reach out to my lead when they want to? There's a lot of efficiency in terms of straight conversions, increase of conversions, higher customer satisfaction, and therefore higher association of the customer with the brand, which comes with automating the communication for enterprises. So that's exactly what we work on. We've been in business for the last 10 years. We've been working with amongst the largest brands in the travel, aviation sector, in the BFSI sector, largest private sector banks, insurers of India, they all work with us. The biggest challenge that we've seen in any of these automation projects is that every change in an automation becomes a change request. The moment it becomes a change request, there is a delay in the process. It's a 4-week, 6-week change request. Along with that, everyone talks about artificial intelligence and machine learning, especially where customer communication, interactions are concerned. The biggest players are Google, Amazon, Microsoft, IBM. They are the ones with deep pockets. But the biggest challenge that enterprises face is that how do I integrate my call center or my systems with these AI systems? And that's what we've brought in. We've brought in Phonon Central, which is what you see is what you get kind of an editor, where even a business owner doesn't even need to go to a technologist and create their own call flows, create their own chat flows, which integrate with these systems and build up very efficient self-service systems for enterprises, build up very efficient digital acquisition channels, build up very efficient communication channels for inbound or outbound interactions, right? So that's something that we are very proud of launching today. It's come out after years of hard work, months of effort going focused on product development, and we've come out with an amazing product which we believe is probably the world's best communication automation platform, which can really change the way call centers operate. We feel that we are to the call center industry what India was to the call center industry overseas 10 years back. They got jobs from there into here, got cost efficiencies. What we are doing is that these jobs we are automating. We are ensuring that these jobs, these interactions, which are the quicker of interactions, can get automated and serviced, so that banks can actually, banks or financial services companies or insurers, they can actually focus on getting higher skilled manpower to really deal with more complex customer queries, to deal with more complex customer interactions, which ultimately become higher value interactions as well. So this is a win-win situation for in this sector. We are proud to be here at the ETBFSI Conclave, the first launch of ETBFSI. I think our launch of Phonon and ETBFSI, they coincide with each other, and we are extremely thrilled with that. What ETBFSI has done and is bring in Economic Times brand, which effectively brings in the real thought leaders in the industry at one place. The amount of buzz that's created, the amount of knowledge of BFSI in one location is amazing. I think the idea exchange that's happening over here is a great step forward, and I'm sure you'll go from laurel to laurel in this.